What is in there? Is this not moving? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm very excited to announce that I got me a purse. Not just any purse, but I got a purse from a black owned business. Okay. Now, disclaimer, I'm not a big purse buyer. Okay, this is actually my first purse that I've ever bought. Period. First of all, every purse that I own is usually just like Michael Kors, because I'm not I'm not that rich girl. Okay, I'm not that girl yet. So those are my only purses, and I have not bought them. It's been like gifts, like my parents got them for me, or like my boyfriend got me a purse. Was it last Christmas or 2 Christmases ago? He got me the Michael Kors big bag, which I really love. It's so cute. But this is my first like grown woman purse purchase, you know what I'm saying? And I bought it for myself. It's from the brand Cise. If anyone has ever seen their ads and stuff on Instagram, all I've seen was their ads, mostly because I was looking into telfar bags, which I mean, who wasn't? And they're always sold out, and you have to buy them resale, which is like mad bread. And I'm like, oh, don't have it. Like the original price is fine, but then the mad bread part comes in the resale. I'm like, oh, I don't know about y'all, I'm not that girl. Again, I'm not that girl. So I guess because I looked up black owned luxury brands, another one came up, and that's how I found Cise. They just showed me a bunch of ads, and I was like, hold on. And the most notable thing about these bags, which I feel like everyone knows, if you've seen the ads, is that they have protect black women written across the back. Tell me it's not cute. Okay, you know it's cute. You know it's the cutest part of the bag. Okay, anyway, I'm so excited because mine just came today, so I'm ready to open her up. Like I said, this is my first black owned luxury brand item. First bag that's like an expensive bag, like not a Shein bag. Not super expensive, it's pretty affordable, which I love, but it's still like, okay, you spent a little money on it. Like you spent a little money on it, but it's still like kind of affordable. Still in like the Michael Kors region, you know what I mean? Like luxury, but not super crazy expensive. You know what I mean? I love that. I love that. That's my like spot right there. I'm like, ooh, okay, I could save up for this, but I won't break the bank for this. You know what I'm saying? Like I still have a bank to look at. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay, so anyway, bag. Let's open. I almost opened it without you guys, but I was like, no, Tiani, let's wait. Let's do it the right way. Do an unboxing. So excited. Okay. My boyfriend was gonna actually buy it for me for Valentine's Day. He let me pick. He was like, do you want the bag or do you want a Pandora ring? So after many thoughts and going back and forth, looking back and forth, I picked the ring, but only because I was like, I'm gonna buy myself the bag. Either one, I was literally like, if you buy me one, I'll buy myself the other one. And it's also, there's another ring that I wanted too, so I might buy myself that ring too, because it's called Treat Yourself season. Okay, it's Women's History Month, period. So this is how it comes in the box. Okay, I got the PBW vegan leather bag in caramel, or caramel, as some of you like to call it. It's caramel, but teach your own. Oh, I didn't think I was gonna have the writing on it, because all I seen was this part. And I just saw that. Okay, this is so cute. Oh, it smells clean. No, it smells like you know, okay, let me unlock a childhood memory for you. Remember when your mom or your dad or whoever went to eat a Payless when you were a kid, right? Then you just run around the section with all the different shoes for you for school, and you just smell like all the new shoes, and you're like, or not even, because I think the whole store really smelled like new shoes, and it was like, and you just, you know, they got the light up shoes, and your mom said no, put it back, and you end up leaving with some like cowgirl boots and Mary Janes, you know, stuff like that. That's what it smells like. That's what it smells like. Childhood. Anyway, okay, let's open it. Okay, so it comes tied up. Let me put this box down. Like, what am I still holding this for? The smell is hitting me even stronger as I'm untying it. Oh god, it smells so good. Oh god. Guys, it smells so good. I'm sorry. Hello? Ah! Okay, I'm sorry, it's so cute. Okay, so it comes with a little duster bag. I'm kind of scared to look inside because I'm like, I'm sweating. This is so exciting. Okay, it just looks so good already. Like, look at, I'm sorry. Thumbnail. Okay, let's open her. Let's open her. Okay, I'm not gonna look. I'm just gonna. I'm not looking. I can't see. Okay. Oh, yeah, there's white paper over it. Okay, so it's wrapped up again. Very nice. And this is like wrapping paper. Okay, bam. Okay, it's wrapped. Oh, look at the color. Okay, okay, okay. Let's unwrap it like a present. Okay, I'm so excited. I'm sorry. I'm so happy. Oh my god, right after Black History Month too. What? Oh my god. Guys. Oh, hold on. Let me take a moment to actually just look at my purse. Oh wow. This is so cute. Oh. Okay, like, I'm sorry. Okay, so it has a magnetic clasp inside, and it has the little nudges on the bottom, like the little feet pieces. This is so cute. Wait, it's so cute. Okay, okay, let's open her. Okay, she comes with a strap, so I can make it longer, which I intend to. I think I like bags better that way when they're like kind of satchel-y. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, and it's vegan leather, guys. Vegan leather, so no animals are harmed in the making of this purse. Okay, what is in there? It's not moving. Oh my god, oh my god, I almost broke my hand off. Okay, this piece was hard to open, but I got it. Oh, it smells good though. Is that like glue? I don't know if they have a glue in there. In the little strap thing. You see the stuff inside? Unclear what that is. Unclear. It looks like kind of like wood shavings, but it smells so good. It smells like gas. Guys, I love the smell of gas. Okay, that's weird. Anyway, it was hard to open, but I got it. I got it. After some pushing, I was like, wait, hold on. Don't make me send a strongly worded email to guest service, because I will. But it was fine. It worked out. Let's strap them on. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. So there's that one. Now I hook this one on the other side. Let's see. Does this one have the same thing? This one doesn't even have any of those shaving pieces in there. Weird. Okay. Seemed interesting, but it's fine. It's fine. As long as nothing else happens. Oh my god. Okay. Very cute. Very cutesy. Love her. Did I show you guys inside the bag? Okay. It comes with this big old thing of bubble wrap. And it comes with these. Thank you for your order. Your purchase is appreciated. We hope you're ecstatic with that. And then I got this. Oh, okay. Cool, cool, cool. Product care. And then there's a cardboard piece shaping the bag. Let me take that out. Okay, so now this is the bag by itself. Okay, hold on. Go crazy then. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Excuse me. Let me just see something really quickly. Oh, yeah. That's me. Sorry. This is my little bag. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Protect Black women. Oh, yeah. Sorry. What was that? What was... I'm sorry. Hold on. Hold on. Don't get me started. Don't get me started. Okay. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yes. Hello. I would like to speak to the manager. Hello. So sorry. I was having a moment. Sorry. Sorry I'm late. Sorry. Sorry I'm late. Yes, what did you need to talk to me about? Oh my god, okay, so I gotta show you the inside of the bag, I guess, right? I should show you the inside of the bag, right? I don't think is there much going on? No, it just looks chic and clean. I like this little, ooh, okay, so it has a little pocket. So yeah, basically, that's it. It's like a pocket, and it has like a little, can you guys see the inside? I'm sorry, this is like terrible. Give me a sec. Can you see? Okay, so yeah, this is a pocket, and the inside is black. It's kind of like a satiny material. Not really satin, but like sturdier than satin. You know what I mean? I don't know. I can't really explain things. I'm not really a bag person again. I'm a new girl. I'm new to the bag world. But this is very cute. Very, very cute. And I like that little rubber, like it's kind of like it's a rubber material. It's like rubber sign. And yeah, that's just it. It's just cute. They also have other bags that say protect Black people on them. Hey, let me fix my camera. What happened? Oh my god. I messed it up. Okay, I don't know what happened. Hopefully this is not terrible. But they have other bags that say protect black people on them, and they're so cute too. They have like a little buckle right here, but I just like the way women, it says, the hell just moved over there. Okay, I just like the way women looks on the bag. It looks so much better to me, in my opinion. I'm very excited. My first designer black owned item. Very cute. Thumbnail. Very cute. But yeah, so that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will let you guys know in future videos how the bag's holding up, or you can just comment down below and let me know how it's holding up. I'll let you guys know. Hopefully it holds up for a while. It seems to be made of really good quality, but it's not super thick, you know. It's not like super hard like my Michael Kors one. I think it might be made of real leather, so that's probably why. My Michael Kors one feels super durable. This one, it doesn't seem super durable, but hopefully it actually is, like, you know what I mean. Hopefully it's not gonna rip or anything. It shouldn't have to face the same problems leather faces because it's not real leather, so it should be fine. But I'm excited nonetheless. I love the bag. It's super cute. I can't wait to wear it. I can't wait to put fits on and then put this on like, yes, hello, protect black women. That's me. But anyway, yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, let me know your thoughts, whatever, whenever. Support black business. That's all. That's all. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat. Subscribe to my YouTube. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications, guys, so you get notified every single time I post. And thank you for watching. Yeah. Say bye, bag. Bye.